everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. I've done some planning for the month of May and gone over everything I did in April, my highlights, and time to share with you guys. So as always, leave in the comments how your month went for April and what you are looking forward to for May. What are some of your plans and goals? But I follow Lavendaire here on YouTube. She's fantastic. She does these monthly planning videos where she has like prompts to follow. So that's what I base this on, but I've sort of developed my own kind of spins on things because I've been doing this for more than a year on my own. Let's start with reviewing April. April in one word for me was chill. It was a really nice month. March was super busy, so in contrast, April was much more relaxed. Out of 10, I rated this phrase: this month I took steps to get closer to my goals and dream life. And I gave myself an 8 out of 10 for this month. Gerald and I are planning a trip for my birthday, and we've like really started to plan this month. It's just my dream. It's been my dream to travel for so long, but we haven't been able to because of, you know, obviously the pandemic and everything. But since we've been married, like this is what we wanted to do. So that's in the works, and it just feels so good to be planning that. I have so many highlights for April, so I'll just say like the top few. But my best friend got married, Chelsea. She's been married a month now to her husband, Ryan. And the wedding was so fun. Everything turned out perfect. It was such a like good celebration of who they are as a couple. His band performed. She looked gorgeous. That was probably my biggest highlight. Gerald and I celebrated our anniversary. We tried a new restaurant, which was really good. We've been married 3 years and we've been a couple for 12 years. And it was the leather anniversary because it was our 3rd anniversary. So we took some really cool photos wearing our leather jackets, and it sort of like put us back into like our younger mindset. We used to be really into music. We played in a band together and we met through music. So like putting our leather jackets back on and taking pictures like in front of a brick wall just like reminded us of music we used to like, and we've been really enjoying like listening to music together. I'm getting into a ska phase, which is crazy because I'm 29 and I've never gone through a ska phase, but I'm really loving the specials right now and the selector. And I feel like Gerald's like introducing me to this new genre, and it kind of feels like being like young again. It was my brother's birthday. My little brother is 23, and it's just so exciting like watching him grow, and I love it. Like he's moving forward in life in ways that I'm really happy for him. I baked Easter bread with my mom. Gerald and I tried a new local place for afternoon tea, and it was amazing. It's so exciting to go for an afternoon tea, and I was glad we didn't go to the city. Usually we'll go into Chicago for something like that, but we found something that's like more conveniently located because we are in the suburbs, and it was really wonderful. My parents went to a wedding out of town, so the weekend that they were gone, me and Gerald spent the weekend at their house with my brother. They have a much bigger house than us, and they have like a beautiful yard, and it was great, again, spending time with my brother and just enjoying like a change of scenery. We went to see the movie Secrets of Dumbledore with my brother, and it was the first movie we've seen in the theaters since the pandemic started, and it was really good. The Fantastic Beasts series I've not really been a fan of so far, so I was like thinking it probably won't be good, but at least it's like something Harry Potter related. But it was really good. It was the best of the 3. Absolutely. It was, I really enjoyed it, and it was so fun to go to the theater. We went on a Saturday night, but it was still like pretty empty, which was great. We were able to really just relax and enjoy it. We also like went out to dinner with my brother and just had some really good quality time that we don't normally get with him these days. I had the girls over, my group of girlfriends over for an Easter party, and it was so fun. Our friend Shay made us Easter baskets and got us all our own bunny ears, and we took some cool pictures. I served 2 pots of tea and my friends loved it. I made little tea sandwiches. So it was just so magical, such a perfect Easter celebration. My friends, like we've been doing so many fun things together this year, and we have like a lot more planned. We're trying to do something like every month, like every holiday at least. We're trying to have a gathering. It makes me feel like a kid again. It's kind of like getting to play dress up and like getting to have like a tea party. You know what I mean? It's been really enjoyable. So those are all my highlights for this month. One thing I learned this month, I've been watching the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, and I've learned so much about Johnny Depp. The day I'm filming this is the day Amber's beginning to testify. I didn't know anything about his life. I've never been that interested in Johnny Depp. Like, I like his movies. I think he's a great actor, but some things he does I'm not that into. Like, I never really got into Pirates of the Caribbean, but like I love, you know, Edward Scissorhands and Cry Baby, like his older things I really enjoyed. So it's been really interesting, but not only about him, but about like the film industry and about law. I'm really interested in like court cases. It's been really interesting to watch. So that's like what I learned this month. One thing I'm proud of, I actually have two. So Sips By sent me their Mother's Day gifts, which is cool to get like something extra from them. They already send me a free box every month, but receiving like something extra was really wonderful. And I'm proud that they like saw value in sending that to me. And also the moon backdrop I made for Chelsea's wedding came out perfect. She loved it. How can I improve for next month? I want to start to like tweak and rebrand my channel a little bit. I do feel like there are certain aspects of my videos that I've kind of outgrown, and I want to start expanding into some more things. There's a new feature on YouTube Studio that shows me what my subscribers are searching, like things, you know, aside from my channel. And there was a lot of searches for tarot, like tarot readings and like astrological things. And I read tarot. I practiced for 2 years before I ever read for anybody. I am actually on an app as a tarot reader, and I have like a couple clients who have come back. I have one lady who I work with a lot. She's always asking me different questions, and she's so interesting, and I love reading cards for her. But I might start incorporating maybe some tarot readings or tarot spreads, how to use tarot, things like that, like things a little different, because you know, I love tea. I love tea reviews. I drink tea every day. It's such a part of my life. But I'm sort of like, I don't want to say getting bored, but it's feeling kind of repetitive. And I'd really like to be a bit brave and try something new, because it has been like years of doing things kind of the same way. And the bonus question on Lavendaire's video this month was, what is the biggest thing I'm grateful for so far this year? And I am so grateful for my husband and his success and his personality and his work ethic. You know, he makes me so happy. I love him so much. Like, I find myself a lot of the time wishing I met him even earlier in life, because it would have been so cool to know him even longer. But we've been together since we were 17 and 18, and it's just like, it's just not enough. Like, he's so cool. But aside from like me liking him a whole lot, he's been so successful at work because of his work ethic and his personality and his kindness. He's able to cultivate such good relationships with people. For me, it's a lot harder. I'm not good at socializing. I'm not good at making friends. But for him, everyone who meets him loves him. And he genuinely is interested in people. He wants to help people. His bosses love him. His coworkers love him. My husband's hard work and all those things about him are the things that are making my dreams come true at this point in my life. Like, the things that we're planning and the things that we're able to do are mostly, you know, 99% due to his success and his work ethic, and I could not be more grateful. So let's go into planning for May. Here is my May vision board. I made some mood boards for my friends and for like different things I'm planning. I've been really enjoying putting these together. So I feel like I sort of changed the style I've been doing and made it a little more like aesthetic, I guess. But May, in one word, I want May to be carefree. You know, like if you're around my age, we grew up like in the summer, we'd maybe go to the pool and come home and eat like a cold sandwich with chips. or we'd play outside all day and like ride our bikes and then like come inside and like play Nintendo. I'm ready for like that kind of summer. Like I'm ready to just be carefree and enjoy like good weather. So my top 3 goals this month, this is something like I don't talk about a lot, but I love to do like resale, and one of my biggest money making opportunities is when neighborhoods where I live do free garbage day, because people put out such good stuff for their garbage days, and I like to drive around, collect all the best stuff, and then sell it. So I have a money goal. We have a garbage day this weekend, and I have a money goal for that. We're all really excited. Me, Gerald, and Gerald's grandma are gonna be going out together. We've never gone with her before, so that'll be really fun. My next goal is I wanna book everything I need to book for our upcoming trip. It's not till September, but I want everything done and ready by the end of May so that we're prepared. So I want to get like all the big stuff, like the restaurants, the hotels, all nailed down. We booked our flights, so the next steps I want to finish by the end of the month. And my other goal is to get our backyard set up nicely for summer. Recently, I posted on my personal Facebook page, if you could do anything with your life, like you had no responsibility to like make money or any other responsibilities that you don't want, I guess, what would you do? And I was surprised how many of my friends said they would garden, like they would have a garden. And then I think back to when I had my garden at my parents' house. I used to love like working in the garden. And I don't really have a whole yard here. I have like a little patio, but I do want to set it up nicely so I can like spend time outside, plant some herbs and flowers and things. But that was really interesting when I posted that. I was expecting, I don't know, like bigger things, I guess, but a lot of people said they would want to have a garden. So if you made it this far through the video, let me know what you would do with your life if you could do literally anything you want. And then I have some mini goals. I gotta get my mom a good Mother's Day gift. I want to add a shelf above my refrigerator, and I already took the measurements for that. I need to mop my garage. Real riveting stuff here, but I painted my garage floors white last year, so through the winter they've gotten kind of gross. They need to be cleaned. I cannot wait until it's warm enough to go swimming. That's like one of my top goals. And I want to begin rebranding my online presence. So that's everything I have planned thus far for May. Let me know in the comments what you've got going on in this new beautiful month of May. I just hope the weather will cooperate. We've had like the worst weather here in Illinois. Today it looks pretty nice out, but I don't know what the temperature is. It's been like raining every day. So I am eager to see the sun, get in the pool, and just have that like that summer feeling. Be sure to answer that question for me, because I'm sort of like collecting research on that. Like if you could do literally anything with your life, no responsibilities, you don't have to make money, what would it be? I am trying to figure out that answer for myself. So it's been interesting to hear from other people, but I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.